Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Lalit Kumar and I am working as head of the department in Himachal Institute of Pharmaceutical and Education and Research. So we are just standing in front of the gate of the college. So today I will just take you to the tour of our college. So let's begin it with me. So this college is situated nearby to the bus stand of the Nadon, and this college is widely spread in the area of 2.6 canals, and we are having B Pharmacy course, and the intake capacity for the B Pharmacy course is 60, which has been sanctioned by HPTU over here, and from this year we are also going to start Master of Pharmacy in Pharmaceutics as well. So you can see the lush green campus of Himachal Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. We will just visit the college premises today. So this is the ground floor and we'll start from the ground floor. So this is the administrative block which is present on the ground floor, and we'll just visit the administrative block from inside now. So here there are different chambers. So this is the chamber for the office superintendent, and this is the chamber for advisor, and here this is the chamber for the clerk, and behind this there is the chamber for the principal. Sir, so this is the cabin of the principal, sir. So here this is the cabin of the principal, sir. So this represents simply a well furnished room for the principal. Computer lab. So this is the lab which is present in the ground floor. So we are having two labs present in the ground floor. This is the first lab, and it is of the subject pharmaceutics. So here are the different instruments which are present in this lab and which are used in the development of the various dosage form. So there are a large number of instruments which are there behind in the lab. So this is the preparation room. So from this room we are providing glasswares, chemicals and other things to the student to perform the practicals. So it is common for this lab and lab adjacent here, which is also a pharmaceutics lab. So here is the chemicals and glassware present in this preparation room. Lab second, which deals with the pharmaceutic subject, and we are having the same instrument which are present in the lab adjacent one, and there are different instruments which are involved in the preparation of the different kind of dosage form. And adjacent here, this is the preparation room, just common for all for these two labs. Just we have just visited the first lab before. So again, this is the preparation room. So This is the preparation room, which is common to both of these two labs, as we have visited the first lab earlier. So this is the second lab to my right side, and these are the equipments and chemicals which are present in the preparation room. The classroom which is present on the ground floor. So we are having the labs, pharmaceutics lab, which are present adjacent over here, and in front of that this classroom is present. So we are having capacity of approximately 60 to seating of the 60 students over here, and all the there is all kind of facilities over there like fans and lights. So this is appropriate for the strength of the 60 students over there. So this classroom is also under the observation of CCTV camera, so which is located over there. So these are fully under surveillance. So this access is given to the principal sir and the chairman sir. So we can observe the students, what they are doing in the class and how teacher is teaching in the class. So this is the facility regarding classroom in the ground floor. This is the washroom facility for the faculties in the ground floor. Now these are two separate toilets for the faculty present in the ground floor. So this is the washroom facility for the girls in the ground floor, and nearby this is the facility for the boys in the ground floor. So this is the central storeroom which is present in the ground floor. So basically it contains the instruments and chemicals which are purchased directly from the vendors, and you can say we are having diverse type of the chemicals which are used in the practicals involving all the subjects like pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutics, pharmacology and pharmacognosy. So there are the glass here also, and different kind of the chemicals are sent from this area to the different kind of the labs present in the college campus. In Hyper, we are having fully Wi-Fi campus, and you can see the router is present over there, which is giving speed of 100 Mbps. So this ground floor, along with the first floor and third floor, it is fully Wi-Fi, and we are having the internet connectivity on all the floors. So we are having training and placement cell also in the ground floor. So this one is the chamber for training and placement cell. So here you can see the achievements of the students of our college. So we are just having some kind of photographer tent over here. So we are having tie-ups with the different pharmaceutical industries which are right now present in Baddi. So we are having a number of students from our campus to be placed in those companies. Just focus on the practical training of the students, and we are having a fully furnished machine room. So this is the machine room. This is the high precision balance, and this is humidity chamber. And moving forward, we are also having tray dryer over here. Then moving forward, this is fast diffusion cell, which is used for the permeation study, and friability apparatus is present there, and disintegration apparatus is also present. And moving further, we are having laboratory centrifuge, which have been used in different kind of experiment detection, then digital pH meter, and we have recently purchased this lab media dissolution apparatus. So this is especially for the B-pharmacy and M-pharmacy students, that they are going to perform the dissolution studies over here, and these represent the various kind of stirrer. These are the different kind of the mechanical stirrers which are used to prepare different hot plates which are used to prepare various kind of delivery system. So we are having a fully equipped machine room, and in the last but not the least, we are having a rotary compression machine which is fully automatic, and here by using this machine we can tell the students about the manufacturing of the tablets, that how the tablets are produced by using these machines. So practical training regarding manufacturing of tablets can be given to the student by describing about this machine. So here we will now provide you the 380-degree view of the ground floor. So starting from that area to this one. So in the ground floor we are also having the library facility, and we are having modern and high-tech library. So here we will see about the library facilities over here. So we are having a highly experienced librarian, Dr. S.D. Khan, and his PhD in library sciences. So he will tell you more about the library.
About this library, we have about 4,000 books, including reference journals and textbooks also. We are subscribing 14 journals, national and international, and we have a good networking with other libraries like British Council, American Center, and this Incriminate, which is a big center in Asia. And other also important library we have to link with us. We can store our sharing and store other sharing within the library. So it's not library, it's online, everything is well documented, automation is over, we have everything on hardware system, and it is web-based software we are using. So this is all about this library.
Third classroom, which is present adjacent to library and in the ground floor. So as we can see, we can utilize both type of methodologies over here. We are having projector for teaching through PowerPoint presentations, and the blackboard is also attached over there. So you can clearly see that we can fully accommodate approximately 60 or more students over in this classroom. So this classroom is highly modern, along with the facilities of projector, as you can see. So this is the multi-purpose hall or seminar hall. So this seminar hall can occupy approximately 300 people at one time. So it is very suitable to conduct the conferences, seminars. So you can see we are having presence of projector over here also, and seminar hall is completely having Wi-Fi facilities also. So you can easily and effectively conduct different kind of pharmaceutical seminars or conferences over here. So now we will move toward the first floor of the college premises. So we have completed the ground floor. Now we are moving toward the first floor of the college premises. First floor. So as we move inside the first floor, so moving toward my left hand side, we are having an appropriate tutorial room. So this tutorial room can occupy approximately 25 to 30 students at one time. So this is present adjacent on the left hand side on the first floor. Now this is the central instrumentation lab which is present on the first floor. So we are having sophisticated instruments present over here. So as you can see, first instrument which is present over here, this is UV spectrophotometer, and this is from Lab India company, and its model number is UV 3000. So if we want to perform the dissolution studies of the tablet or to find the drug content in the pharmaceutical formulation, we are employing this UV spectrophotometer. Now here it becomes, now this is digital flame photometer which is used in the pharmaceutical analysis. Then moving further, we are having other instrument like colorimeter which is again used in the pharmaceutical analysis. Then photocolorimeter is also present over here. Then digital pH meter which is used to find out the pH of the different kind of formulations. Then again this is digital photofluorimeter. Again this is used in the pharmaceutical analysis for the analytical purpose. And then here we are having digital turbidimeter which is used for the turbidimetric analysis of pharmaceutical products. So toward the right hand side of the instrument loop, we are having the washroom facilities for the faculties. Now this is for faculties, and this is the washroom facility for the girls. Students are studying on the first floor, and this is the washroom facility for the boys. So this is the classroom which is present on the first floor. So as you can see, this is having capacity of approximately 60 students to sit over here. So it is having very good with fans and you can say tubes, and it is also under CCTV surveillance. So all our classrooms are under CCTV surveillance. As you can see, the CCTV cameras are mounted over the walls. The guidelines of HPTU, they should have a strong room in the college premises. So we are having strong room on the first floor of the college premises. So all the activities related to final examinations have been carried out over here, and we are maintaining this strong room well for the smooth conduction of the final examination conducted by HPTU. The first lab which is present on the first floor. Now this lab specifically deals with the subject pharmacognosy. So here we are just carrying out all the practical related to the natural products like leaves and various plant parts. So you can see we are having different kinds of the equipments over here and various kinds of the reagents which are used for pharmacognostic evaluation of the crude drugs. So we can see that this lab is having a chart having demonstration of the TS of the different kind of the crude drugs, and microscopes are also there, and different kinds of the equipment which are employed in the pharmacognostic evaluation of the products. All those instruments are available over here. So this one is autoclave, which is used sometime in the pharmacognostic evaluation. Then moving further, we are having microscopes. So this is the example of compound microscope. So this is the common preparation room for the lab, this pharmacognosy lab, adjacent pharmacology lab. So we are providing chemicals and glassware to the students to perform practical from this preparation room, whether for pharmacognosy lab and for pharmacology lab. So you can see different kinds of chemicals are present over here along with the glasswares. So this is the second lab which is present in the first floor of the college premises, and this is pharmacology lab. So all the experiments related to animal studies are performed over here. But you can see that the animal investigations are banned for the undergraduate students. So we here teach the students about the animal experimentation through different kinds of the software which have been suggested by the Pharmacy Council of India. So we are giving the demonstration to the students, different kind of equipments which are utilized in the pharmacology lab. Those are present over there. So as you can see, rotating drums are there, okay? Microscopes are there. So if you see the close view of the instrument, so we can have a pole climbing apparatus. Now this apparatus is called as a pole climbing apparatus. So we are giving demonstration to the students about working of this instrument. So this is electroconvulsometer which is used, and this is organ bath, which is student organ bath. Again, this is rotating drum. And moving further, this is digital ectophotometer, which is used for the demonstration purpose to the students. Then this is an analgesiometer, which is utilizing tail flick principle for the study. Then if we move further, then this is rotor device, which is divided into 4 compartments. So this is the rotor device having 4 compartments inside this. Then this is an analgesiometer, but principle is somewhat different. Now it is also called as Eddy's hot plate to demonstrate the analgesic activity of the different compounds. We can utilize this instrument to demonstrate the students. This is the second classroom which is present on the first floor of the college premises. So again, this classroom is having a sitting capacity of more than 60 students, and facilities like fans and tube lights are present in this classroom. And this classroom is also under CCTV surveillance, as I already told you that all our classrooms are under CCTV surveillance. We will move toward the third floor of the college premises. So moving toward third floor. So this is the entrance of the third floor. So as we move toward the left side direction of mine, so this first room, it is a museum room. So here we can keep the different kind of the things which can be utilized to demonstrate various kind of pharmaceutical products, pharmaceutical instruments to the students. So this is the museum room present in the second floor of the college premises. Now this one is the first lab which is present on the second floor of the college premises, and this is the pharmaceutical analysis lab. So we are carrying out all the practicals which are associated with the pharmaceutical analysis or analyzing the pharmaceutical products. So we are having the different kind of instruments like vacuum filtration pump. This one is refractometer. Then digital conductivity meter is there. Then calorimeter, etc. So all the instruments which are utilized in the pharmaceutical analysis, they are utilized in this lab, and analytical investigation of the pharmaceutical products is carried out, and demonstration is given to the undergraduate students in this lab regarding analysis of the different pharmaceutical products. This one is the second lab present in the second floor of the college premises, and this is pharmaceutical analysis lab. So all the experiments related to this is the pharmaceutical microbiology lab, and all the practical related to microorganism and their identification is carried out in this lab. So there are different kind of instruments which are utilized in pharmaceutical microbiology over here. So as you can see, there are it's called as digital colony counter, used for the colony estimation of the bacteria or fungus. Now again this is a digital coroning counter, and further this is hot air oven. And here we are having antibiotic zone reader, which is used to calculate the zone of inhibition. Then this is aseptic cabinet, which is used to prepare the aseptic sample for analysis. Then further if you see, this is the BOD incubator, then antibiological incubator. Then we are having two autoclaves in working condition present in this lab, autoclave first and autoclave second. So as we move further, this is the aseptic cabinet. Now here we are giving practical knowledge to the students about aseptic processing. So as you can see, we are having the device used for aseptic processing known as laminar airflow over here. So this is the laminar airflow, which have been utilized in the aseptic processing of different kind of pharmaceutical product in the pharmaceutical industry. So we are providing the practical knowledge regarding the aseptic processing of the pharmaceutical to the students. The third lab, which is present on the second floor of the this college premises. Now this lab is associated with the pharmaceutical chemistry subject. So here we are carrying out the different kind of the experiment related to inorganic chemistry, and the synthetic work is also carried out, like if we want to synthesize some chemicals, and we are demonstrating the students to synthesize different kind of chemicals over here. So different kind of instruments are available over here which are used in the synthesis. So you can see the instruments from a closer view. So bath, which is in the working condition, and it's a 6-chamber water bath. Then further if we move, then this is hot air oven, which is used for drying of the products. Then this is the mechanical stirrer, which is used in mixing of the two phases. Then this is a fuming cupboard, which is utilized for removing of the harmful fumes out from the lab. And this is again hot air oven. And further, these are the hot plates which are present in this pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry lab. So now this one is the preparation room, which is present adjacent to this lab. So again we are having two labs here in the second floor, which are connected to this preparation room. So we are providing glasswares and chemicals to the students to perform their practical work from this preparation room. So you can see different kind of chemicals which are used in the synthesis purpose, for the analytical chemistry purpose. They are over here, and along with that there are different kind of the glassware present over here. So this one is the fourth lab, which is present in the second floor of the college premises, and basically deal with the synthesis of the compounds in the subject of pharmaceutical chemistry. So here we are having different kind of the instruments which can be employed in the synthesis of the various compounds through these subjects. So here we take a round of this lab, and different instruments will be present over here, like a magnetic stirrer with hot plate is there. Then vacuum desiccator, hot plate is there. Then again water bath with 8 chamber water bath is also present over here. Then this is the centrifuge, which is used for the centrifugation of the product. If you want to separate out the solid product from the liquid media, then we can utilize this. Then again this is magnetic stirrer with hot plate. Then these are the mechanical stirrer present over here. Again this one, if we move further, then this is hot air oven present over here, and this is the distillation assembly present over here, state distillation assembly. And moving further, this is the fuming cupboard present over here to remove the harmful fumes. If somebody is synthesizing the compound and harmful fumes are generating, then they can be keep out from the lab through this fuming cupboard. This one is the fifth lab, which is present on the second floor of the college premises. So this lab basically deals with the anatomy and physiology subject. So we are just teaching the students about the physiological regulation of the human body and composition of the human body and various physiological aspects of the human body over here in this lab. So you can see this lab is having all the charts which are providing the anatomical and physiological knowledge to the students. And we have just prepared different kinds. So these are the different types of instruments which are present in this lab, which is anatomy and physiology lab. So we are having the different kinds of the organ models which are prepared by the students for the demonstration. So you can see they are in the row, different kind of the organ models present. So you can see all of them, and all of these have been prepared by the students of our college, and we are having charts for the demonstration of anatomy and physiology based concepts to the students. Now we just move towards the top floor of the college premises. So you can see a beautiful view from this top floor of the college. So if we move top floor of the college premises, and you can see that we are having the solar cell present on the top floor. So in case we are having some kind of electricity dysfunction, then we can utilize electricity provided by the solar current to the smooth conduction of the practicals for the students.